there, future money-saving rock stars. Today I'm going to show you how to save $10,000 in just 1 year. Yes, you heard me right. $10,000. Let's break it down and make those Benjamins stay in your pocket for a change. First up, track your expenses. And no, I don't mean stalking your bank account like a hawk. Just get a budgeting app or even a good old spreadsheet. Write down every single dollar you spend. Lattes? Write it down. Avocado toast? Write it down. It might sound tedious, but trust me, it's like magic. Suddenly, you'll see where your money's doing the cha-cha out of your wallet. Next, set a budget and stick to it. Yeah, I know, easier said than done. But here's the trick. Be realistic. If you love your Friday night takeout, budget for it. Don't set yourself up for failure. It's like going on a diet. If you cut out all the sweets, you're gonna end up binging on cake. Budget for the fun stuff, but keep it reasonable. All right, now let's talk about the B word, bills. Analyze your monthly bills and see where you can cut back. Streaming services. Do you really need Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus? Pick one and ditch the rest. Or better yet, share accounts with friends or family. The same goes for your phone plan, internet, and other subscriptions. Negotiate or switch to cheaper options. Now let's get to the heart of it, saving. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. Treat it like a bill. You won't even miss it after a while. Start with whatever you can afford, even if it's just $50 a month. Every little bit adds up. And speaking of adding up, let's talk about side hustles. Got a skill? Put it to use. Freelancing, dog walking, babysitting, selling crafts online, whatever floats your boat. Use that extra income to boost your savings. Remember, hustle now so you can chill later. Last but not least, let's tackle debt. High-interest debt is like a money vampire. Pay off as much as you can as quickly as you can. Snowball method, avalanche method, whichever one works for you. Reducing debt will free up more money for savings. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to save $10,000 in a year. Track your expenses, set a budget, cut unnecessary bills, automate your savings, and hustle on the side. It's all about making smarter choices with your money. So, start today and watch those savings grow. You got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.